Hello, Tonahan. Okay, so the issue I mentioned only happens on dev, not on beta, not on cloud. And now I'm in the same hotel, demo hotel, this hotelrefno. I am going to upload a file. Previously upload file without hotelrefno works fine. Only with master ID works fine. Now uploading the file with the master ID and hotelrefno and without savedb, the issue happens in this case. So okay, it's pending, it's uploaded, and this is the GID of the response. I will show you also the response. I don't want to use Postman because users don't use Postman. I guess you can agree with that at least. So this is the GID. Let me save it somewhere. So this is the GID of the posted, of the uploaded. And now I'm going to insert at least the code. When I'm going to insert, I will use the hotelrefno and the GID. Look, save. Now I'm inserting to the record. Okay, I'm just updating the same GID of that file. Okay, let me show you the GID. It should be the same. And hotelrefno. So everything is clear here, and we will see the record right there. So this is the record, and when I hit download, I'm going to use the download with the GID and the hotelrefno, of course. You can pause if you don't see the request values, and the response has nothing. So that's the problem actually. And when you go to preview it, it says the file is empty. So that's the problem. But when you save, when you upload a file using using savedb and hotelrefno, like this case, so we have the hotelrefno savedb master ID. JSON file. So, and we put the same. In this case, the JSON file will appear just fine. I mean, when you download it, it will request download and response will have data. So the response requested fine because here we have a savedb. So the problem is you need to check the parameters on the using hotelrefno and master ID only, and master ID hotelrefno savedb. So you need to check these three things, what happens in backend. So as you see, this file doesn't exist, this file exists, and this happened actually only on dev. I tested on cloud beta since 3 days, it works and it's fine. So the problem is just on dev, and I don't know how to explain this even more. So let me okay, you can ask me anything else. The GIDs, the params, I don't need to use Postman because users don't use Postman. So that's all I can provide you for the bug.